First on our list is the camera, a feature that always garners attention. If you're a photography enthusiast or simply love capturing great photos with your phone, you'll be excited about this. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to receive a significant camera overhaul. While the 48MP main camera remains beloved for its crisp photos, the ultra-wide camera is the real game-changer. Apple is upgrading the ultra-wide camera to 48MP in both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, replacing the old Sony IMX633 sensor with the advanced IMX9003 sensor. This means sharper, more vibrant ultra-wide photos with stunning detail, especially in low light. Expect better dynamic range, reduced noise, and improved optical image stabilization (OIS), ensuring clearer, more accurate images. For video enthusiasts, the upgrade enhances video recording capabilities, providing superior detail and low-light performance. In summary, the iPhone 16 Pro's camera upgrade will elevate your mobile photography experience to new heights. Conditions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech news.